Bonjour Laila, I hope you had a wonderful Saturday and this is a summary of what we did. Nous sommes le vendredi 17 avril, leçon 9 sur 15. So the last time was a big review. This time I want you to make sure you can understand what is the verb to know in French. To know can be savoir, or connaître. Connaître is always with a noun. I know someone, I know something, I know a location, I know a country, a city. Je connais Paris. Je connais cette fille, this girl. Okay? So, and savoir means to know as well, but it's, you know how to do something. Okay? Here, we're going to try to make some very specific sentences. I'm going to focus on savoir. I would like to know, je voudrais savoir. I would like to know where, je voudrais savoir où. I would like to know where it is. Je voudrais savoir où c'est. So, we can just go directly to this sentence. I know how to say I would like to know. Je voudrais savoir where it is, où c'est. I don't know, je ne sais pas. If you want to say I know, je sais. How much, combien. I would like to know how much it is. Je voudrais savoir combien c'est. Something is quelque chose. Quelque chose. La chose is the thing. We're gonna make some sentences with these words. Something, quelque chose. The thing, la chose. Okay. Up, small space. The same thing. The same thing, la même chose. I would like to eat something. Je voudrais manger quelque chose. I would like to eat the same thing. Je voudrais manger la même chose. Je voudrais manger la même chose. Do you remember the question was, do you want? Be careful because in the future we're going to start making questions about do you have? Okay, so far as do you want? Sorry. Do you want to eat something? Voulez-vous? Veux-tu? Vous voulez? Tu veux manger quelque chose? Okay, veux-tu manger quelque chose? So I'm very formal here. I can just reverse. Vous voulez? Or tu veux manger quelque chose? Do you want to eat the same thing? Tu veux manger la même chose? Vous voulez manger la même chose? The same thing for me, please. La même chose pour moi, s'il vous plaît. La même chose pour moi, s'il vous plaît. Please is s'il vous plaît, formal, or s'il te plaît, informal. I would like the same thing for me, please. I know it sounds a bit odd in English, but we have to, mostly adapt to the French grammar and syntax here. So I would like the same thing for me, please. Je voudrais la même chose pour moi, s'il vous plaît. We don't even have to say, I would like. We can just say the same thing for me, please. La même chose pour moi, s'il vous plaît. In French, a question can have different translation, actually. If I say, do you live in Paris? I can be very formal and I can ask, habitez-vous à Paris? Habitez-vous à Paris? The second option would be, est-ce que vous habitez à Paris? So we can drop the est-ce que. This is like, is it that you live in Paris? Vous habitez à Paris? You live in Paris? So I can have the verb and the subject, est-ce que plus subject verb, and verb, subject verb. I can also have three more options, actually. I can say, habitez-vous? Tu habites à Paris? Est-ce que tu habites à Paris? Tu habites à Paris? Okay. Words ending in ence, ance stay the same in French. Différence, difference, différence. Preference, préférence. Importance, importance. Influence, influence. All those guys are feminine. So if I want to say the, which is le, masculine, la, féminine, les, plural, l'apostrophe because the noun starts with a vowel or an H. So basically I'm going to say, because I know everything is feminine, I'm going to say la différence, la préférence, l'importance, L', l'influence, L'. Because the noun starts with a vowel. So l'importance, l'influence. If I want to use un ensemble, un can be un, masculine, une, féminine, des, some. Ce plurial form here. So, to know can be savoir, en connaître. For next week, we'll spend some time explaining the difference between savoir and connaître. Okay. We'll see that I know how to speak French. I know how to speak French. Je sais parler français. Okay. We're gonna focus on that, don't worry. But the last time you really did a very good job, and I'm very proud of you. We're gonna continue using les loustiques, just a sec. Next, with the book Les loustiques, we did this stuff. That seems a bit childish, but this is a project to make a telephone of Pedro's telephone, and you know, you have different list of phone numbers. You can print out this stuff. You can color everything. You can cut. You glue the, you know, the different numbers, and you can add an antenna if you want, etc. But I'm more interested in Unit 2. Vive l'école is like, yay! It's like, vive is like viva, viva school, you know. It's like, hooray school. Okay, so the track number 23 doesn't correspond to this. If I want, it's 22. Okay, so let's listen to 22, just this one.
Unité 2. Vive l'école.
Leçon 1. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Activité 1. Écoute et montre.
1.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est une trousse.
C'est une trousse. It's a pencil case.
Montre la trousse.
Okay, ici.
8.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est un cartable.
8. C'est un cartable. The school bag. It's not a backpack. It's a school bag, you know, the one you carry. It's like a purse.
Montre le cartable.
So show the purse. Montre, show.
4.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est une gomme.
C'est une gomme, an eraser.
Montre la gomme.
Show the eraser.
7.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est un livre.
It's a book.
Montre le livre.
Show the book.
2.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ce sont des ciseaux.
Scissors. So it's plural form as well. Scissors. A pair of scissors. Ce sont des ciseaux. Ciseaux.
Montre les ciseaux. 3.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est un stylo.
Stylo is a pen. It's a pen. C'est un stylo. C'est un stylo. But we have an liaison, so c'est un stylo.
Montre le stylo. 6.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est une colle.
Actually, we say un pot de colle. Un pot de colle is like glue stick or glue. Yeah, glue stick. So,
Montre la colle. 5.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est une règle.
c'est une règle, a ruler.
Montre la règle.
So let me see here. Yeah, that's the end. So actually, they want you to show the different items here. So le cartable, la colle, les ciseaux, la gomme, la règle, le livre et le stylo. Okay? So that's it. Let's stop here. We're going to continue with this stuff, okay? I'll send you the audio file. It's track number 22. Au revoir, Laila. À mardi. À bientôt.